Hello everyone. Welcome back to Old School PowerPoint. This is an educational channel that uses old school PowerPoint teaching style without any AI gimmicks. You have joined a vibrant learning community, and we are thrilled to have you on board. This is not just a place to learn. It is where you can discover new passions, develop a potential side business, and possibly build a new stream of income. It is hoped that these old-school PowerPoint YouTube lessons can bring joy and inspiration to everyone. Without any further ado, let's begin the lesson for today. How to Earn Income from Teaching on YouTube, Part 2, Finding Your Niche in the YouTube Education Market. First of all, a quick recap of Part 1. In Part 1, we have shared the reasons and advantages for teaching on YouTube. We have also explained how creators can earn income from teaching on YouTube. In case you have missed Part 1, you may view the video again from the playlist. Before we proceed, all viewers are reminded that this educational video is produced purely for the purpose of information sharing only. This channel assumes no responsibility for errors or omissions in the content, or for any damages arising from the use of the information provided. Any links to external websites are provided for convenience and do not imply any endorsement. This channel is not responsible for the accuracy, reliability, or content of any third-party websites. So, what is a niche? A niche is basically what you like, what you want to make content about, and what you wish to teach on YouTube. A niche is any topic that will be viewed by an audience that also has similar interest. Your niche literally lets the audience know the type of content that you teach and the style of teaching video that you create. In order to create a YouTube course with high demand, it is important to find the right niche. Choosing the niche topic for your teaching channel will help you to target the right audience and get the views you need to monetize your content. YouTuber channels without a niche would be too broad or general to attract any sustainable user base. If your niche is poorly chosen, your market competition may be intense, making monetization more difficult. If you hope that the YouTube algorithm will pick up your video content and appeal to a wider audience with similar interest, then it is important that you have to find your niche. Your niche will help you to determine who will be your audience and how successful your channel will become. But the broader your niche is, the more competition there is going to be. So how do you choose your niche? Ideally, you want a niche that aligns with your interest and skill set. At the same time, you also want to be in a niche where you can earn money with your content. You need to balance what you are interested in with what viewers are looking for. Once you have found the sweet spot of high viewer interest and low competition, then you can create unique content that viewers would love to see. So, how do you choose your niche? Here are 3 methods that we would like to share in today's video. Method 1. Your passion and expertise. The first step in choosing your niche is to determine what you are passionate about or what you are good at and decide whether it can be a good topic to teach on YouTube. Ask yourself, what do you yourself normally search for on YouTube? Do you search for video contents that you are passionate about? By focusing on things that you already love to do, you can have the best teaching experience. Your ideal audience will be people who are just like yourself. They will be your fans because they also have similar passion and needs for learning as you. There are bound to be people who resonate with you because they share the same passion as you. Targeting this group of people will make it very easy for them to identify with you and build your loyal fan base. Method 2. Know the trend. To create effective YouTube courses that viewers like to see, it is essential to know YouTube trends. What is a trend on YouTube? Basically, it is about what are the hot topics that people are searching for. And people like to search for topics that are related to what is going on in their industry, their community or country, and in some cases, around the world. Clear knowledge of the current trend can provide you with valuable data that you can utilize to learn more about hot topics and also to gain a better insight into viewer tastes and consumer behavior. You can use the trending data as a base to create relevant teaching content that can resonate with a wide audience. YouTube Trend operates by a mechanism whereby the platform suggests videos to viewers that they are likely to find interesting. These video recommendations are displayed on the YouTube main page, in the sidebar, and in the Trending tab on mobile devices. They can play a vital role in determining which videos users will watch, and this can have a significant impact on the traffic and popularity of your teaching channel. As a YouTube content creator, you should track the latest trends via statistics and reports. Tools like Google Trends, YouTube search bar, and social media can provide insights into what content is in demand. Viewers' tastes change, seasons fluctuate, and information spreads faster than ever before. It is important for creators to produce timely and trending content that is relevant to your target audience. Therefore, if there is something that is trending in your field, you can incorporate that into your YouTube course. Your course will have more viewership. Method 3. Find comparable channel. This can serve two purposes. First, it can help to determine whether there is any viewer interest for the YouTube course that you want to create. If there isn't, then there is no point in creating it. Second, finding comparable channels can also help to determine what are the YouTube courses that are in demand. A common market research typically focuses on viewership volume, subscriber number, brand persona, user profiles, and delivery methods. See if any competitors are teaching related courses on YouTube. What is the response to their courses? What are their viewership volumes? See who else is creating content in the niche that you are aiming for. This can help to estimate the monetization potential of your teaching channel. However, it is important to note that finding comparable accounts does not necessarily mean finding competitors. It simply means finding other creators whose user base is similar to yours. Even if you plan to create courses in the same field, the user base may be different, the competition may be different, and the business logic may consequently be different. Therefore, it is advisable to find comparable courses and channels and start with the user. In conclusion, find a niche that you are passionate in and seek to apply your talent within that niche. That is, the topics that you can teach, that viewers are looking for, and that other creators cannot teach as well as you. A good YouTube niche should be sustainable. Your niche should excite you now, and it should continue to hold your interest into the future. Therefore, choosing a good niche is important, and this can lead to strong engagement and scalability in the future. A good niche is also tailored to your goals. For example, if you're intending to turn your YouTube teaching channel into a lucrative career, your course should be highly profitable. If your channel is about a passion topic, your niche should involve something that you are truly passionate in teaching. And finally, while passion is key, the ultimate sweet spot is where your teaching passion meets topics with high audience demand. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any feedback to contribute, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. If you liked the lesson, please feel free to hit the like button and share this video. If you want to stay up to date with all future uploads, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. Till the next video, stay cheerful, have fun, and see you in part 3.